just have to record because I've been catching them every single cast. Has not stopped. It's been non-stop, so I just want to catch one on camera for you guys. These crappie, it's prime time. Here we go. I've just gotten to a mess of them. There's just so many right here. Little guy. Not too big, probably a 9-incher. I've already got my limit. Okay, you're gonna have to get out of my boat, buddy. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see if we can't get number 2 on camera. Let's get number 2 on camera. That'd be cool. It's just non-stop, man. Non-stop fun. That's all I'm doing now. I've got what I wanted. I got what I came for. Oh, here we go. Another one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm just casting this chartreuse minnow jig. It's a stick style. Been slaying them. Let's see. Let's get another one on camera. Let's try to get 3. Let's go for 3. Oh, I might not get it. Oh, oh, nope. Come on. I felt him bite it. He's right next to my kayak. Come on. Get it. Oh, I can't see him though. Oh, he's got it. Oh, no, he doesn't. Here we go. Let's see. There we go. That's it. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. This is just fun. Oh my goodness. Alright, it's only 2.5 minutes into this video. I'll get one more. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun, guys. I started to get into the bigger ones later on. I figured out they were not deeper, but closer towards the middle here. A lot closer to the drop-offs than the littler guys. They kind of distracted me from finding them, but because there were so many of them, and I was just thinking they're right around the corner, but they're right where I started. Let's see, we'll get one more. One more on the camera. This is just perfect lighting right now for this. Just love eating at these times. I'm seeing all sorts of topwater blow-ups around me. It's just crazy out here. Oh, here we go. Here's another. Oh my goodness. There we go. Man, right next to my kayak. That's what it's all about, guys. Tight lines. Catching crappie out here. Good times.